saying? Here's the reality. Bacon and macaroni and cheese. This is the best combo. This is the best thing to get from Chick-fil-A, bro. If you're not, you're sleeping on this. That ass. It's nuggets are a must. You gotta get these. You feel me? The nuggets are a must from Chick-fil-A, bro. That ass. I'm gonna show you how to eat. I'm gonna show you how to eat your Chick-fil-A sandwich, right? I'm gonna show you. Open up your sandwich. You feel me? A little plain. This is for the big bags, right? This is for the big bags. Real quick. Let's show. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Then you gonna dip it in the sauce. Hold on. The sauce. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce. Listen, bro. It's not Chick-fil-A. It's not Chick-fil-A without the cookie, bro. You need the cookie, bro, from Chicken Time. You got the drink. You got the blueberry. I fuck with the cup. You need this in your life.